Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy
birthday, dear Grandpa.
Yay!
I know it, Mommy.
Can you guys tell Grandma happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Say we love you.
I love you.
You gonna blow her a kiss?
I will find it.
Good job.
I can find it, Mom.
You want to blow Grandma Happy a kiss?
You can find it with me, Mom.
Would you like to blow Grandma Happy a kiss? You gotta stand on the other side of the camera so Grandma Happy can see you. Or like this. Say, hi, Grandma Happy.
Hi, Grandma Happy.
Say we love
We
you.
love you. Sister, you're blocking?
You gonna cut a piece of cake for Grandma Happy?
Yeah. We need cut. The cutting cake one. I don't have cake one. I can make scissors with my fingers to cut it.
You're gonna use your fingers to cut it?
Huh?
Wouldn't you get icing all over your fingers?
I see that all over.
Alright, Mommy's gonna turn off the camera. Can you guys tell Grandma happy birthday one last time?
Happy birthday!
Say we
Love you.
love you. Have a nice weekend.
I love you.
Say happy Mother's Day.
Happy birthday.
Okay, bye.
Bye.